Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I made this image by Gemini 3 Pro. That's nice. Yeah, especially I like the lighting. Okay, then I enhanced this image with Korea and expand to this size with Adobe Photoshop. The image is this. Okay, then I made line drawing type image from this 3/4 image with fine edges on Adobe Photoshop. Then change blend mode to luminosity, opacity 50%, add over this. Then I got this halftone image. Then same expand base image, change blend mode to color, max opacity, add over this image. Then I got very subtle amber color. Okay, then same layer, duplicate again. Now change blend mode to overlay, max opacity, add over this image. Then I got this, from this to this. Nice. Add colors, yeah? Okay, let me make group. Then I'm gonna fix this image as a one layer better image. So duplicate this group. Then flatten this group image. Okay, turn off this better layer. Then in this group, duplicate line drawing type layer, double. Okay, we get the nice light image. Over this base image, combine model's face, turn on, then add mask over this better layer. Then invert this mask. Okay, change brush, airbrushing to soft brush. Pick color white, max opacity, but not too big. Okay, open this mask. Okay, right about this, only face, yeah? Then duplicate this better layer. Bottom layer, delete this mask. Then change blend mode to color burns, pretty much high saturations. Well, okay, this time leave it color burn first. Then I'm gonna add white layer over this, then paint. Let me check it out later. Okay, keep it color burn right now. This is too dark. Okay, now I'm gonna add layer, then fill this layer with white, then change this layer to clipping mask. Okay, then I'm gonna add color. Okay, pick the color from these nice dark colors, amber color and color of this motorcycle, Vespa. Okay, change brush to drawing to evolve. Pick this texture, yeah? Okay, paint over this clipping layer. Max opacity. Okay, now I'm gonna smudge this layer. Change tool to smudge tool. Texture is same, evolve. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna add gradation colors over this layout layer. And light area, like window area, I'm gonna add color, change brush to soft brush. Now I'm gonna add mask over this gradation layer. Then invert this mask. Now open this mask with Evolve. Okay. Then add white layer under this gradation layer. Use this clipping layer. Duplicate. Then upper layer. Change this layer to regular layer, no clipping mask. Okay, just leave this paint. Now we see the gradation colors. Okay, add mask over this white layer to show this image underneath. Okay, add mask. Mask this white layer. Change brush to Evolve. Change color to black. Okay. Then go about half opacity. Big size. Okay, now I'm gonna open this model's image. Okay, use this Evolve. Okay, then smudge with this. Okay, now let me see, emphasize colors, very top, add layer, change blend mode to color burn. Okay, now let me see model's skin tone. Open this mask first with soft brush. Then let me see if I add color blend mode under this color burn blend mode. Change blend mode to color. Then warm up skin tone. Okay, then lighten model's face touch. Okay, let me see how much we can lighten up. Give it the highest light with this line drawing type image. Duplicate. Move this one up all the way top. Change blend mode to divide. Okay, give it highest light. Add mask. Invert this mask. Open this mask to add okay, that's nice. Highest light. Key light. Okay. Now go for overall image. Let me see. Emphasize colors again. With these two layers, color burn layer and color layer. Okay, now okay, let me darken edge. Okay, use this mask. So duplicate this white layer, then upper layer, invert this mask, then clear this layer. Fill layer with white, then change blend mode to linear burn, then okay, I think that's it. Okay, from this base expand image, add luminosity blend mode, double, add color blend mode, overlay blend mode. Over this base image, add color burn blend mode, dark color. Then I add white clipping layer with painting. Then add gradation colors with mask. Then add white border with mask. Leave the colors of this gray clipping layer colors. Then emphasize with color burn blend mode. Overall, then add color blend mode to warm up. Well, before this, add better layer with mask. That's for model's image. Then add color blend mode to warm up model's skin tone and touch overall background colors. Then add divide blend mode to add key light for model's edge light. Then add darken edge with linear burn with mask. Yeah? Yep, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys' support. I hope you're gonna find some idea for your creative work. You guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Good day. And thank you.